And there it is. Here comes the oil. Hey guys, Machines and Metal here. I'm just working on one of these Toro brand. I believe this is a Loncin engine made overseas. 24.5 horsepower V-twin. They're okay. Not my favorite, but gets the job done, I guess. Now I had to take the shroud off because I was working on the carburetor. I had a plugged jet there, one of those black plastic. You can see it there. It's got two of them under that, and one was plugged, so this thing wasn't firing smoothly on the left cylinder. It would fire intermittently. And anyway, we've done the carb and checked the compression and checked the spark, and after finding that jet was plugged, half plugged, it is purring like a kitten. But I just wanted to show you something that I thought was really interesting on this machine. So what they've got, this pipe right here, guys, is a drain for the engine oil, and what it does is it just runs straight down and then does kind of a 90-degree turn and goes to the bottom of the engine, bottom of the crankcase right there. And then on the cover, on the shroud, there's a spot right there where that hose plugs into. So I guess the theory is when you want to change the oil on this thing, you basically just pull this pipe off that plug on the shroud on the underside, and you lay this down and drain it. And that just seems kind of Mickey Mouse to me, but I guess that's the way they designed it. Let's try it, guys. Let's just see if, without any tools, if I take this and just lay it down. Let's see if the oil comes out. Ready? And there it is. Here comes the oil. So there's no plug, there's no valve, there's nothing that prevents the oil from creeping up that pipe, except for that little plug that's underneath that housing cover. So I would just urge caution to you guys. Make sure that this thing is plugged into that plastic plug very good. I just touched it and it fell out, and obviously there's no valve down there or anything to turn on and turn off the flow of the oil. So yeah, I don't know, you want to call this a tech tip, you want to call this a YouTube discovery. I'm sure there's videos on this out there already, but yeah, it's something I discovered today on this machine, and I thought maybe you guys would be interested in seeing that. All right, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.